Hi babes, welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'll be sharing with you 5 different nail ideas that you can get using Kiara Sky's Dip Powder Color Kit. If you would like to see 5 looks using the French kit, make sure you like this video and let us know in the comments down below. I have so many cool hacks to share with you guys and I can't wait, so let's get into the video. Okay babes, as I mentioned, today I'll be using the Kiara Sky Dip Powder Color Kit, which is the best dip powder kit available. It includes everything you need to complete a dip powder mani from start to finish, so you get all your glazes and activators as well as 5 powders. Today I'll be using the 3 colors that come in this kit to show you how to achieve 5 different designs. I'm going to start by prepping my client's nails with the bond that's going to help dehydrate the nails and prep them for dip application. Now, before I begin with my designs, I want to start with a layer of natural to build the apex and act as a base coat. I'm going to apply my base to 3/4 of the nail and dip into my natural powder. Once I complete the step for all fingers, I can move on to the fun part, the designs. Look number 1 is going to be our easiest technique for a seamless ombre. I'll start by applying base a hairline away from the cuticle and dipping into prim and proper. Then applying base to the entire nail and dipping into prim and proper one more time. Now I'll grab a soft fluffy brush and lightly dab on hot dam where I want my ombre to start. Be careful with this step because the base is still a little bit wet, so you don't want to be too rough and ruin the powder underneath. Look number 2 is a glitter ombre. For this one, we're going to repeat the same steps as look number 1 and dip the nail into prim and proper twice. The first time a hairline away from the cuticle and the second time covering the entire nail. Now I'm going to grab my number 2 base and apply a thin layer. Then grabbing a cuticle pusher, I'm going to slowly sprinkle on the glitter from superficial on top. I'm going in with a heavier hand around the cuticle as you can see and fading out the glitter to create an ombre effect. Now I'll carefully dust off the excess glitter and come back to finish it once the full hand is completed. Our third look is a simple and easy marble design. Start by applying base a hairline away from the cuticle and dipping into prim and proper. Apply another layer of base and with a cuticle pusher, start sprinkling your desired colors like I'm doing here. You can see I alternate between hot dam and prim and proper for a true marble look. Now I'm going to dust off the excess powder and just look at how cool this already looks. I'm going to apply another layer of base and this time I'll sprinkle on some glitter to just add a bit of dimension and sparkle. Now our fourth look is simple, but I had to include it because I'm obsessed with dip powder glitters. They're super high coverage, so as you can see here, one layer of dip powder was able to cover the entire nail. If you love sparkly nails like me, then I highly recommend dip powder glitters. They're super shiny and so easy to apply. Our fifth and final look is a red baby boomer nail with a hint of sparkle. I'm going to repeat the same steps as our first look, but instead of dusting the red around the free edge, I'm going to apply it around the cuticle area. Then I'm going to scoop a tiny bit of glitter from superficial and sprinkle it on top. Now that I completed my designs, it's time to encapsulate and seal everything in. I'm going to use my trusty recycling system to keep my clear powder as clear as possible, so I'm going to pour a little bit in and recycle from there. Apply a thin layer of base to the entire nail and pour the clear powder on top. You can switch the scoops and repeat these steps until all nails are covered. It's time to activate our dip powder, so I'm going to apply Seal Protect liberally to the nail, ensuring I get every nook and cranny. Once the nails have hardened and you can hear a clicking sound, you're ready to shape, file, and buff. You can use an e-file if needed, but if your application is smooth from the start, a hand file and a buffer block will be more than enough to create a smooth, even surface. This is why I love this dip powder kit even for at-home use. If you have a nail file, you're pretty much good to go. Once you're done shaping and buffing, dust the nail clean and apply another layer of Seal Protect. Now this step is super important, babe, so please don't forget to wipe and rub the nail thoroughly. This is going to remove the excess Seal Protect on the nail and ensure a shiny top coat. We're going to finish off our beautiful looks with 2 layers of top coat, allowing 1 layer to dry before moving on to the next. And there you have it, 5 easy, beautiful, and fun looks you can create with the Kiara Sky Dip Powder Color Kit. If you haven't gotten your dip powder kit just yet, you can purchase yours directly from kiarasky.com and use coupon code YTBestie for 10% off. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and join our KS Besties. Until next time, besties, bye!